Welcome to our guided meditation session for stress relief, led by Stephan. Today, you'll be guided through techniques designed to help you unwind and regain your sense of calm. Meditation has numerous benefits, such as reducing anxiety and improving emotional health, which you'll experience firsthand today. Before we begin, please find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Comfort is key, so ensure you're seated in a position that feels relaxed for you. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, this session is crafted to help you foster a deeper peace within. In today's session, Stephan will assist you in setting a personal intention aimed at releasing stress and cultivating inner peace. Setting an intention is a powerful practice in meditation that serves as a guide for your focus during the session. By consciously choosing to focus on peace and stress relief, you firmly direct your energy and attention toward achieving these states. This mindfulness technique not only deepens your meditation but also enhances your emotional and psychological resilience, paving the way for profound tranquility and stress management during and after the meditation. Breathing deeply is a cornerstone of effective stress management during meditation. Stephan guides you through specific breathing techniques designed to relax both body and mind. By inhaling deeply through the nose, holding that breath briefly, and then exhaling slowly through the mouth, you encourage your body to enter a state of deep relaxation. This controlled breathing not only calms the mind but also enhances your focus, allowing for a more profound meditative experience. The rhythm and depth of each breath play a crucial role in stabilizing your emotional state and grounding you in the present moment. Dive deeper into relaxation with Stephan's guidance in this main meditation practice. Using powerful visualization techniques, Stephan helps you picture a serene environment, encouraging you to immerse in its calming sensory details. Feel the tranquility through envisioned scenes, perhaps the gentle sway of trees or the soft murmur of a stream. Furthermore, incorporating mantras or positive affirmations strengthens your meditation, reinforcing mental resilience against stress. This combination of visualization and verbal reinforcement gently steers your mind away from distress, guiding it towards a peaceful state, enhancing overall stress relief and mental clarity. As we conclude this session, Stephan offers valuable tips to seamlessly integrate mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine. Emphasizing the importance of regular practice, he suggests setting aside a few moments each day to meditate, helping to manage and alleviate stress consistently. Stephan encourages embracing these practices as part of a healthy lifestyle to enhance your mental well-being and resilience. He extends his gratitude to all viewers for participating and embarking on this journey towards a calmer, more centered life.